My name is Shrusan Grey. I am owner of Dukunoo Jamaican Kitchen, and we're located in Wynwood, Miami. The concept of a restaurant came from, passion. I think genuine passion from me and my husband and my family, who wanted a Caribbean concept from a Jamaican point of view and with real Jamaican food, which we think is amazing. Dukunoo is a very common name from the African diaspora. It generally means sweet thing. And it's just a dessert, the way that they made a dessert. Growing up in New York from Jamaican parentage, just thought that we would just explore that concept in Miami, which we don't really see it as a full-service place, right? My husband's family have full-service restaurants in Philadelphia that's somewhat like it. So it came from that, just like that genuine, authentic, wanting to do something like this in Miami. We came to Wynwood and we were sold. So then we embarked on trying to get a place in Wynwood, and we got this spot. A lot of people see Jamaican food in storefronts, like little small stores where you go in, they grab the food, they go out. And those places do very well because Jamaican food tastes so well. But what they don't see is how diverse we are. A lot of us are from the African diaspora, but then a lot of us are from, our backgrounds are Indian, our background is Irish, English, and so forth. And our food is an illustration of that, right? You'll see in our food curry, you'll see corned beef, you'll see lamb, you'll see goat. And so our food illustrates that. They can do jerk, which is a big part of our culture, right? Jerk chicken, jerk pork. And so many people go there to enjoy that. We don't see like real jerk, which is why we had to open up a real jerk center outside, because we wanted to be like, listen, this is real. This is out on a jerk machine. We actually do it. And the authenticity of it comes out. One of the first things especially if you're coming on a weekend, is the vibe. You're coming into a happening, happy atmosphere. And then in addition to that, but the most important, obvious, is the food. The food is authentic. One of the drinks that you come here, you could have a sorrel, martini, or you can have like a mango ginger mojito, stuff like that, where we try to infuse our culture and infuse the stuff that we use a lot or drink a lot there or eat a lot there, right in the drinks and the food.
Hey guys, thank you for coming out to Wynwood Dukunoo's. I'm your chef, Jorian Blair, and today I'm gonna show you a fantastic recipe, the lemongrass shrimp. So first, what I'm gonna do is season these shrimps, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and add some in-house seasoning. So we got some garlic oil. We're just gonna go ahead and nice little spread so we get that nice fresh garlic taste into this, right guys? Boom. And then we go ahead and just slap them on the grill, get a nice sear on them, right? You see that? Nice sear. Make sure your grill is really hot because that's what you want. You want to get that nice charred taste into that, all right, guys? So I'm gonna start with some butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my tomatoes, right? I want my tomatoes to actually sweat in there and get that fragrance, right? Same thing with my fresh thyme. We add it in the same time with the butter. Let all that fragrance and all that beautiful herbs go ahead and kind of get together, right? So right now I'm gonna add in some of my in-house pepper sauce. This is where like the Scotch bonnet and all that great flavor come in, right? And now it's time to deglaze. We're gonna deglaze. There we go, right? Once we deglaze, we're gonna let that reduce. As it reduces, you'll see the color start to change, come to a nicer, brighter, reddish color, almost like a ruby red. And then all that flavor just start coming up, all right? I think the shrimps are ready to be turned. Yeah, beautiful, nice charred. Just gonna go ahead and give those a nice turn. I'm also gonna add some paprika in it, just to brighten the flavor and also give some more color to this as well, okay guys? I mean, everybody like to squeeze a lemon off some seafood, right? So we just get a little. Beautiful. Wow, came together perfectly. Also, we have some fresh scallions, so I'm gonna add this in now when the pot is off, just to brighten up this dish. We're gonna get ready to plate this flavorful dish. So we have our steamed white rice, nice beautiful presentation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the plate. Beautifully cooked, got charred on both sides. So that lemon that I had charred earlier, we're just gonna put that on a beautiful garnish just in case they wanna enhance that flavor some more, right? This dish is all about the sauce. So this sauce right here is what makes the dish. Like when people taste this, they go crazy. As soon as that is done, we'll hit it with some freshly sweet coconut. And voila, beautiful guys. All right guys, table 6, lemongrass shrimp, beautiful, ready, pick up. And that's how we do it at Dukunoo's, guys.